We all want delicious food, am I right? But we don't want to spend hours in the kitchen preparing food, especially on a weekday when we're all busy and we just want to get a delicious meal out on the table. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some healthy, delicious, and easy recipes for the weekday or any time that you just want to make something quick. Let's get into it. Let's start by making an easy one-pot jambalaya. In a large skillet, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add in 2 bell peppers, 1 yellow onion, and 2 celery stalks chopped. This is also known as the Holy Trinity in Cajun and Creole cooking. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until they begin to soften. Add a dash of salt and pepper to the mix and mix around. Make a well in the center and add 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook for 1 minute. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because 74% of the viewers are not subscribers, which means you'll be missing all the delicious recipes I post. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Add 1 pound of plant-based ground meat and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Also add the seasonings, 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 bay leaf. Mix well and add in 1 cup of rice. Then mix again. Pour in 1.5 cups of vegetable broth. I make mine with better than bouillon base. Lay everything even and flat, and don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat to simmer. Stir everything around, cover again, and cook for an additional 5 minutes or until rice is tender and cooked through. Serve and garnish with green onion and parsley. Next, we're making a delicious and easy one-pot pasta. Start off by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a heavy bottom pot over medium-high heat. Add 1 yellow onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots, all chopped up. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until onions are softened. Make a well in the center and add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook this for another 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix around. Add 2 cups of tomato sauce. And add in your seasonings. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 3.5 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 pound of plant-based ground meat, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley and 1 pound of pasta of your choice. Spaghetti works best. Make sure the pasta is covered in the broth by pushing it all down. Cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, making sure to mix often so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And this is ready once all the liquid has absorbed and the pasta is tender. This is optional, but you can add some plant-based cheese to the pasta to make it more delicious. Our pasta is done. You can serve as you wish with a little parsley garnish.
Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more easy, healthy, delicious recipes like this. Also, click on one of these videos to continue watching if you like. I will talk to you guys next week. I love you. Bye. Thank you for watching.